How to buy Solana on Phantom Wallet. Understanding Phantom Wallet that Phantom is a crypto wallet, but you can buy cryptos directly in it. You will need an exchange like Binance or Coinbase to buy Solana first. After that, you need to simply launch Phantom Wallet application on your device. And now, authenticate your app. Check your assets, and simply to buy Solana, you have to go to your exchange, example Binance, buy Solana, and then send it to your Phantom wallet. Now, in your exchange, you need to simply go to deposit fiat and select USD. Swipe USD for Solana, and after purchasing Solana, you need to go to the withdraw section on your exchange. Select Solana and paste your Phantom wallet address. To get this, you have to head towards Phantom wallet, click deposit and select Solana to copy your address. Choose Solana network for the transfer. And sometimes the Solana network may be congested, causing delays. If the transfer is stuck, set a reminder for when the network clears up. After completing the withdrawal, check your Phantom wallet for the transaction and you should see it listed under your recent transactions. That's it. I hope that this guide was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.